The National Weather Service in Cedar Rapids has issued Tornado Watch 157, in effect until 12 a.m. Central Daylight Time, for the following counties in Iowa: APP-ANO, OSE, Benton, Black Hawk, Bramer, Buchanan, Butler, Cedar, CER, RO, Gordo, Clinton, Davis, Delaware, Des Moines, Dubuque, Franklin, Grundy, Hardin, Henry, Iowa County, Iowa, Jackson, Jasper, Jefferson, Johnson, Jones, Keokuk, Lee, Lynn, Louisa, Lucas, Mahaska, Marion, Marshall, Monroe, Muscatine, POW, ESH, IEK, Scott, Tama, Van Buren, WAP, ELLO, Washington, Wayne, Worth, in Illinois, Rock Island, Sangamon, Schuyler, Scott, Stark, Stevenson, Tazewell, Warren, Whiteside, Woodford counties until 12 a.m. Central Daylight Time. Tornadoes, hail to 3 inches in diameter. Thunderstorm wind gusts to 70 miles per hour, and dangerous lightning are possible in these areas. The Tornado Watch area is approximately along a 90 statute miles east and west of a line, from 40 miles north-northwest of Dubuque, Iowa, to 25 miles west-southwest of Columbia, Missouri. For a complete depiction of the watch, see the associated watch. Remember, a tornado watch means conditions are favorable for tornadoes and severe thunderstorms in and close to the watch area. Persons in these areas should be on the lookout for threatening weather conditions and listen for later statements and possible warnings.